What is up? This is the easiest investing strategy that is almost guaranteed to make you a multi-millionaire. And here's the key. It only requires you doing just a little bit every single day. If you're new here, my name is Forrest. I invest in stuff, and I actually believe that everybody should too. Financial freedom is the key to unlocking any possibility that you want. Money gives you options, and I want you to have as many as possible. But the proof is in the pudding, okay? So I'm gonna open up my account and we're gonna talk about what you can do to become a multi-millionaire. Now, a little bit of backstory on me. I grew up in Belleville, Illinois. Both of my parents were in the Navy. I spent a lot of time traveling around, didn't really have a home base, okay? We didn't have a lot of money, okay, because we were staying on military bases and like military housing, which is basically low-income housing for people in the military, okay? So I grew up really wanting money and financial security and just stability, right? Like a lot of other people who didn't have a lot of money growing up. And then this became something I was hyper fixated on. I bought my first rental property when I was 25, got into the real estate investment markets, things like that, got into, day trading and investing after college. I worked at an investment firm, things like that, right? So it's really in my blood. I get it. I know where you're at. I know what all of your fears are. I know what all of your concerns are. I 100% get it. So no excuses. What we're gonna do is we're gonna look at my account here in Robinhood. Okay, we're gonna open this up and I'm going to show you my account here in real time. Cool, so this is my account in Robinhood. It's currently at $19,492.52. I started this for this channel back in 2024. And here is what the strategy is, okay? It's actually really simple. I'm gonna open up ChatGPT for a little bit of help because I wanna put myself in your shoes. I wanna go to where you are. Forget the $19,492. That's too easy. So let's open up chat, okay? And hopefully this gives me a new chat. It does. And let's just say, assuming I have an account at $0 and I start investing $10 every single day for the next, I don't know, what do you guys think? Maybe 30 years? 30 years. How much money would I have if it compounded annually at 10%? Well, let's do more conservative. Let's say 8%, okay? So chat's gonna do its thing. It's gonna crank some numbers out. Now there are websites where you can do this. I like using chat. It's hyper accessible and you should be leveraging AI tools for your day-to-day. This is gonna be really important in the next part because you're gonna need to find that $10. The very first piece of pushback that I get from most people is I don't have the money to invest, and you can use these tools to find that. So it says if you invest $10 every single day for the next 30 years, your investments account and your investments compound annually at a rate of 8%, you would end up with approximately $429,766. So it's not millions, but we can get there. Okay, so let's say, what happens if I do 50 a day, okay? Now, this is the amount that I started my challenge with, okay? ChatGPT is gonna do its thing. It's gonna tell me 2.148 million, $2,148,828. Quite a big chunk of change. So I've been doing this for 1 year. In 1 year, I'm at almost $20,000 out of my 2.148 million, and you can do it too. In order to solve that piece of pushback, what you can do is you can take your bank statements. So log into your bank right now, go to your bank statements, it's gonna give you a PDF for the last month, the last few months. Drop that into ChatGPT and say, hey, find somewhere $10 every single day that I can invest into my account. ChatGPT is gonna find that money for you and you're gonna start investing that every single day. And here's what you're gonna invest it in. Okay, that's the very next piece of pushback. Forrest, I don't know what to invest it in. Okay, what you invested in is also the answer to that 8% question. They're tied together. So the reason I chose 8% is because that's what the S&P 500 compounds or grows at historically. Right now, we can't predict the future, but the past is our best bet. Okay, people always say past performance can't, guarantee future returns. Sure, but it's what we got to use anyways. So let's go ahead and look at, there's a few different tickers for this, right? You can say SPY. You've probably heard of SPY, maybe on the TV or something like that, right? The SPDR S&P 500 ETF. Okay, this is something that you could buy. There's also SPX is another one that's day traders use, right? I'm a day trader. But what I recommend to people is VOO. Oh, not VIO, VOO. So this is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It's currently priced at $585.70 a share. Okay, but the cool thing about Robinhood and apps like this is that you don't have to buy an entire share. You can put in a small amount of money, $5, $50, right? So whatever amount is, I'm not buying one share, I'm buying a small amount every single day. So $585. Luckily, as I film this video, I have $72 of unspent money. So I'll queue an order up. You can see that I can do $72 and I can queue that order up right now. Okay, so that money is now going to be put into the market. After my 1 year of doing this, I've accumulated 25.45 shares. It has a market value of $14,911. My average cost is $532.21. And you can see that it is 76.5% of my portfolio here in this Robinhood app. So I have a few other things that I bought when I started this account, and I've simplified it since then. And these are on the screen, but they're unimportant for this video. So in order to become that multimillionaire, right, use this simple investing strategy. Just go and buy the S&P 500 every single day. Maybe you can't do it daily, right? If you're paid on a weekly or bi-weekly schedule, take a small amount of your income and have it automatically go to an account. Don't even have to move the money, okay? It'll automatically get deposited into an account where you can directly invest it, okay? You have to pay yourself first. So much of the time, we're so interested and anxious about paying other people when really we should be paying ourselves first. If you pay yourself first, you will have a full enough cup to be able to pour it and help other people, okay? There's so many different other cliche analogies, metaphors I could come up with, but I'm not gonna. We're gonna end the video right there. Just wanted to keep it simple for you, really show you how powerful the power of compound powerful, I'm kidding guys. I wanted to show you how powerful compound interest is, okay? And how you can use time to your advantage, okay? The last piece of pushback that I get is from people who are older than me, okay? I'm 34, I'm in my mid 30s. Okay, that's why I use 30 years. Okay, assuming I started this now. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, it's not too late. You have to do something, okay? If you're gonna be alive for 5 more years, well, you'd be better off in 5 more years or whatever it is, okay? Or pass that on to somebody else, okay? But if you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to do something. So get rid of those excuses, get after it, find your financial security. And if you need help, if you wanna talk to somebody about it, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, join our Discord. We have an investment community, and I would love to have you be a part of it. My name is Forrest, I invest in stuff. I will see you in the next one. Peace.